So take a look at this next slide as well and make sure you understand it as well. I won't read it because you can read it yourself. I'll tell you another story about real estate. My parents bought a property on Vancouver Island, and I'm sorry, that's wrong. They sold a property on Vancouver Island, and the guy came through with the down payment, but didn't come through with the rest of the money. And so they were able to foreclose on him and keep his deposit, which was quite a lot of money, and then resell the land. So I guess the moral of the story is make sure you are doing well psychologically if you're going to buy or sell. And yeah, but shouldn't laugh, I guess. I felt sorry for him. I was happy for my parents, but sorry for him. Here's another story. It's about me. About me and my wife. We were offered the chance to buy my parents' beautiful house overlooking the ocean near Vancouver, their dream house, swimming pool, solar panels, you name it. Looks like a magazine house, you know, a house you'd see on the cover of a magazine. In fact, the house next door was on the cover of a magazine, and I think my parents' house was nicer. We were offered a chance to buy that house for $750,000, but I kind of wanted to do my own thing, and then land prices went up very much, and that house was bought, then sold by another couple for $2.5 million. I wouldn't be making YouTube videos or Udemy if I had bought that house. So anyway, keep your eyes open. It's hard to predict, though. It's really hard to predict how things are going to go. You really have to keep your eyes open and pay attention to trends. No one really knew that Canada was going to open up so much to Chinese immigrants buying lots of houses and the prices going up and all this stuff. So I think it was mostly Chinese immigrants as China opened up and people were able to go abroad. And yeah, it's hard to step back, but try to step back and see what's happening. You know, if you can be the one to see what's happening, you can be the one to make $2.5 million. Sorry, I'm okay. I'm all right.